Finally, there's Hainan's focus on encouraging high-tech business. As relatively small a province as Hainan is, it still homes 9 million people, and its bustling city skylines pay tribute to its modern development. This is an island where authorities have created a high-tech development zone in the capital of Haikou. Zone Deputy Director is Wang Jiang. Mr. Wang Jiang, pleased to meet you.
Pleased to meet you.
So you've created a special economic zone here in Haikou. What is it meant to do?
Haikou
National High-Tech Development Zone is the only such zone in Hainan Province. Its function and role is to encourage and support high-tech companies.
How many companies have you managed to attract here to this economic zone?
So far, there are 1,700 companies registered in the zone.
At Yingli for All,
one of the companies that is thriving here is Yingli Solar Power.
美丽绿色的山坡，阳光照耀的戈壁，只要有太阳的地方，光伏发电就能带来绿色能量。
Tell me about Yingli Solar. This is China watcher Jeff Rady.
I see across a range of sectors, but China's moving rapidly up the high value-added manufacturing scale. We tend to think of China as being low value-added, cheap goods. That's changing. China's income's rising, wages are rising, exchange rates rising, and they have to move up the value-added chain in manufacturing.
For foreigners, China is proving fertile territory for major global manufacturers.
Interesting that China now, for example, for BMW, is its single biggest market, and they've got something like 3 major factories. Volkswagen's pretty much the same, Audi, so automobile sector, advanced electronics manufacturing, but also in the services area, financial services, but also luxury activities, particularly entertainment, sports, and so on. They've been very good over 30 years of open door and reform in attracting foreign capital and then building up their own domestic industries around it. And I think they continue to do that.
One major initiative that will open trade in both directions to Hainan and China as a whole is the One Belt, One Road deal.
It began as a way of finding for China strategic options for importing its raw materials and energy. Nearly all of China's imports of oil go through the Straits of Malacca. So they've sought to diversify shipping lanes and shipping routes. It's grown beyond that now into a vision of China very much leading world economic development through infrastructure investment.
For Hainan, infrastructure investment is very much pushing the southernmost province into the future. As the internet has revolutionized the world in communication, one company in China has developed its own internet system specifically for industry. The China Aerospace Science and Industry Group has set up CassyCloud to provide a range of services on the web. They've connected major companies across China to provide services that include making products in remote factories in real time from faraway locations. One of the brains behind CassyCloud is its Vice President, Zhu Shan. The internet really seems to have come of age. You've only been going 2 years, and yet you've created this mammoth organization. What's happening here?
Well, that's the internet speed. We've been growing really fast. Within 2.5 years, we've grown from 0 people to 2,000 people. That's impressive, but we're still hope to grow much more faster than this.
So what's even more impressive is activity. We're watching right now real-time activity of people connecting and trading.
Yeah, we have 1.3 million registered users on our platform, all the companies across China. And on the platform, they're doing all kinds of transactions.
Right now?
Yeah, of goods, services, and they're trading their capabilities as well.
So this, in truth, is the industrial internet?
Yeah, the commercial internet connects stores to people, and the industrial internet connects factories to people as well.
So it's not just people, 1.3 million people talking to each other, but bigger numbers again with the number of machines that are communicating with one another.
Right, machines connecting to our platform and from our platform to other machines across China.
And so what is that achieving?
In the future, everybody would be able to do their own manufacturing online, place an order and a customized product, and the factory will be able to produce that just for you.
So what's happening here? We're seeing a real robot in one of the companies, one of your customers, and it's being replicated online, digitally.
Yep. So this is the physical world where you see the live camera feed of the robot in one of our customers. And here is the virtual world where we recreate the robot with a 3D model. And with the data coming from the real factory, we use those data to drive that robot. So you can see the physical world and the virtual world together.
So as I see it, factory owners can look at this digital world and they can adjust their factories, their production lines, once they've tested it here digitally.
Yeah, exactly. Before they actually build their production line or adjust their production line physically, they can do it virtually with the computer modeling, do all the fine-tuning, optimization, and adjustment, everything else. After that, then you start building the physical product line. That saves a lot of time and a lot of cost.
Now again, in real time, we're watching what here?
Well, you're watching all our registered users distributed across China. Each blue dot is one registered user or one company, and the light blue ones are the active users, and the yellow dots are the users that are using our platform as of now.
It's mind-blowing, and it's the future. Where is this all going? Where are you taking this all?
Welcome to the industrial internet age, and in the future, everybody can manufacture their own goods. So that's our vision, and we're doing this under the big umbrella, what we call cloud manufacturing. That's our vision.
Cassie Cloud Chairman Xu Xinlong emphasized the cultural value of Cassie Cloud.
The value of the company is information sharing, resource sharing, and capability sharing. The philosophy of the company is to allow the customer to make money and the staff to grow.